If you're looking for baseball games that are pretty similar to Baseball 9, I can show you a couple that has pretty similar gameplay. The first one I can show you is called Baseball 9, and then it'll be called MLP 9 Innings. This is an official MLP licensed game. It has real teams and real players as well. It has deep simulation and pretty good strategy as well. It's more realistic than Baseball 9, but it's still pretty fun. The next one I can show you is called Home Run Clash. Home Run Clash like this. It's more casual. It's a real-time PvP home run battles. It's also an arcade-style gameplay, and it's great for short bursts of gameplay as well. If you want something more sophisticated, it could be MLP Clash, and then it'll be this one, MLP Clutch Hit Baseball. This is more arcadey style, and it has a lot more effects. You can see here. It's a pretty good alternative if you don't like Baseball 9. Specifically go to this one as well. There's a lot of MLP one you can do. Like for example, MLP Perfect Inning 25, you can do this one as well. There's also MLP Rifles. There's a lot of games that you can do as an alternative to Baseball 9.